This I always felt that in last 26 years I felt that this institute was never made or established just for the degrees. The basic its value or basic motto or basic objective of this institute, which I felt it personally, was human resource development, which is required for this nation. You know that whenever an institution or whenever a nation is built up, the contribution of the human resource is 65%, 25% is of natural resources and 10% of infrastructure. So, this the basic thing our Dr. Patangrao Kadam has identified and given more stress on the development of human resources, which will take this nation ahead. And in the practice also you will find that number of students of these engineering institutions are now IAS officers. They are well established in the service, as well as they are employers also. Let me tell you one example of this one. One particular batch which has passed in 1995 from civil engineering department, 70 students from that particular batch are now in business. So, they are giving the employment to the others, and that was the intention of Dr. Patangrao Kadam sir, to establish this institute, not to create the person who are interested only in job and services, but who will work as an employer. The second thing which I felt is, or which has touched to my mind, is the faculty is a main backbone of this particular nation also, or for particular for educational institution. He has very cleverly identified this particular matter and developed a very personal relationship with each and every faculty member, and every faculty member felt that this particular institute is, it is or he is a member of the family of this particular institution. Dr. Patangrao Kadam sir has insisted on a faculty development. So, this college has MOU with North Carolina University, and 5 faculty members have completed a doctoral degree from that. So, faculty development is also one of the value of this institution. And another thing which last one I felt is that he tried to impart here the education which is really required to the youth of this nation, to the students, or whichever is the latest education, he insisted to impart it here. For example, you take it in this engineering college, we started MTech nanotechnology course. MTech nanotechnology is the latest issue, all over world it is going on, and in India especially it is very new. So, in association with North Carolina University, he insisted to start this nanotechnology PG program here. As well as, you see, there are doctors here, there are engineers here, but in hospitals, equipments are there, doctor cannot understand the technical matter of these equipments. So, we started the biomedical engineering course, where the engineers having the knowledge of health sciences will be developed and will take care of development of health sciences equipments, maintenance of it one, and design of that one also. So, that is the way new education he always tried to give it in this issue. As all of you know that new generation is taking over this Bharati Vidyapeeth administration, and Dr. Vishwajit Kadam is now the secretary of Bharati Vidyapeeth. He is a very qualified technocrat, though he has post-graduated in management, but his basic graduation is engineering, and a very sound technocrat, I know him. So, I always feel that this institute henceforth will adopt all the dimensions of the technology, and with this one we will definitely go ahead. So, I feel that institute will go for new technology, new subjects and new areas where the formal education can be started. One thing, when I see the international students here, definitely I feel very proud about my institution, that see, I am working here and if my son or my daughter is taking education, it's not a big issue. Definitely I will say that my institute is good, you take education here. But someone who is 1000 or 10,000 kilometers away from this place is sending their wards here to take the education, it means that your quality is well appreciated by those people. And I definitely feel proudful about this institution, that these international students are preferring, or Bharati Vidyapeeth University is the preferred destination for these international students.